average because of the news. Okay, if you don't follow those instructions, you'll be kicked out on the first trade. You don't. I want you to get mad and log out. Okay, so you really want to follow these instructions hardcore. And if you've never like traded with us, like in a fast-paced situation, you probably need to demo the first, I would say, 5 trades and make sure you get your accuracy on that. Then you can take the rest.
All right. All right, so let me look at some other stuff now. Let's look at right here.
And then, Master, can you tell me what has hit so far? US 30 hit.
Yeah, US 30.
There was a GBP.
2 US 30. Let's see, GBP USD and gold trade.
GBP USD hit and gold. All right, so guys, we are in 4 trades hit.
All right, the next one on gold is 1895 to 1894.
Okay, you wanted to drop a little bit. I could say it's already at 1895, but it's at like 18.
It's up there higher.
Okay, cool. You said 95 to 94.
Yeah, 95 to 94.
Oh, sell stop.
Yeah.
Those of you who are new to trading with us, we only call buy stops and sell stops. We do not do market execution. A couple of people have been pressing market execution and finding themselves in a bit of a situation. We do pending orders for a reason, so please make sure that you do a pending order.
Not unless it's announced.
Yeah, unless we say it's a market execution.
Right.
So we're waiting on gold because it's at 1895 now.
No, it's at 1895.30, unless you got a different broker. But yeah, if you
went all the way down to 1895.
Yeah, but it depends on your broker. I mean, if yours is at 1895, the trade is 1895 to 1894.
And you can wait till we say it's activated if you want, and then market execute, which I think is always safer. When you hear that little launch that computer.
All right. Can you see, is Wolf Rush up on the screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I see him. What did I just do?
Gold has activated for the sale. Watch your lot sizes. Let me give y'all your lot sizes now. I'm going to put it in that chat. And with those lot sizes, you can use that for gold or you can use it for forex. But if it says per trade, let's say it says $40 per trade, which is at a 0.20, whatever it says the balance in the account is, that's how much you have to already have in your account. So if you don't have it in your account, why don't you just look for what you have in your account and then look over and then you'll see the correct lot size, okay?
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, that's a lot. Levels. Mm. $18.80. Oh, okay, wow. $18.86 too. All right. We have an engulfing bearish candle on gold right now. Do you all see it? Everybody see this?
Can you point it out for us so we can see clearly?
Tell me first, do you see it? And tell me which candle it is.
Yes, the red one.
Thank you.
There's a lot of red ones on there.
Nope.
The last one. The last
Thank
one.
you. Good job, students. Good job, students. This is the candle that was engulfed here. This is the candle that is the engulfing candle, right? And it hasn't finished yet. We still got 2 hours and 44 minutes on that. Let's look at it on the 1 hour. Let's see if it engulfed. It did the same thing. Whatever that was going to be, it swallowed it alive. So this is where it started. This is where it ended. So this was the start of that candle being engulfed, or that candle forming to be engulfed, shall I say. All right, so let's look at this. All right, let me remove my arrows. Good job, students. Good job. All right, next we're going to see where. So that candle ended. So you know what I like to do when that candle ends, baby. We need to see where that zone is going to be. Oh, all right. So who can tell me what the name of this area is going to be now? Huh? Yeah, demand zone or supply zone. Let's see. Let's see. So it's not marked on his yet, not on that higher time frame. Let's look at the lower time frame. Let's see if he marked. Yeah, break of structure is what he marked. Let's see. Demand zone up there. Supply zone, demand zone. So for, let me see, demand zone. So he had an, oh, okay, so he had one here. He had one here. Take that off. Let's see where else he had one above. Good. But yes, it's going to be a demand zone right here or a zone. Simply a zone, simply because this is where price action is going to reside in here. So we'll make all our money in here. If price doesn't break structure, see where it said break of structure here? That was the break of structure for these little candles. All these little candles, structure was broken with that big one. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. All right, so that's where structure was broken. Now, if this can't,
what was that zone called right there where structure was broken?
The demand zone. So structure was broken. So let me go back, Dr. LA. Structure was broken because of this big candle that formed. That's when you have a break of structure, right? Let me go back 15 minutes. All right. So anytime, watch this. Every time you see BOS, you see a long candle off of these short ones, typically. Or where the structure changes. What the break in structure really is a break and retest kind of setup. So this was selling, the structure was broken, and it started buying. All right. This was buying, structure was broken, it started selling. This was a buy candle, structure was broken, candle started selling. This was selling, it broke structure, and candle started buying. This was consolidating, structure was broken, it bought, structure was broken, it sold. So basically a break of structure is where it does like a reversal of what it's already doing. All right, that's really what you're working with. But a lot of times you see that longer candle formed where the structure is broken. Not all the time, but a lot of times you will see that candle, that broken candle where structure was broken. So the reason why we're going back and forth right now, if you notice, price is not going too far. It's staying right here on this line because that's where on the 4 hour chart or the 1 hour chart, that is where our candle closed. So it's having a major issue. Why? Because it was an engulfing bearish candle. And now price is trying to decide, do I break that structure for real and go ahead and finish selling? Do I go with where I broke the structure? Do I go in that direction? or do I pull back and go right back up to 1912? Simply because I want to go back towards the same candle that was the engulfing candle. I want to go back toward the top of where that candle started the engulfing strategy, right? So it's having a hard time in the zone. So what we're going to do when this sucker goes back in profit, what I'm going to do with you guys, soon as we go back in profit, we're going to do one or two things. We're either going to close it once it's in profit, because I want to make sure it breaks structure. I want to make sure it breaks the zone. Excuse me. I want to make sure it opens and closes below this line. And then it gives me clarity that it's going down to that green line, which if I go back to my trading view chart, that green line is the same as my week charts markup for the 50 at 1883. So it's right there. It's about 2 points higher of where I have that green line versus where this is. I was being conservative. So 1883 on here, right? Versus, let me do it right. Let me go to the 4 hour and I'm going to do it right. Okay. See how I got it just above the wick? Let me put it down where the wick is. And it's probably going to be 1883. Nope, it's still 1885. Okay. No worries. Let's see. 1883 is where, that's in the middle of the candle. That's in the middle of a candle, which is the top of that red. Yep, 1880. So that's where it is right here. The top of this red wick is 1883. Okay. All right. I want to keep that there as a zone. I'm going back to the 15-minute. Again, this is what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on this candle to open and close below that black line. If it does that, once it puts us fully in profit, we're going to watch this one because it can keep stopping temporarily just because of the zone that it's in. 1894.75 is where it keeps coming to. So we're going to watch this joker here because, like I said, everything should reverse simply because it went above and beyond the call of duty on the day chart. See how it pulled back off of that 200 EMA? Let me look at the regular candle. That's how close we are to that 200 EMA. We're on it. We're sitting on the 200 EMA, which warrants pullback. So just be cool for a minute. You do have a buy set up for 1899 to 1900, but let's get through this sale. If price does push through this 200 and come down just a little bit below it, then we're golden and we can get out of that the gold sale. But gold is giving me some weird vibes because I see that set up on the 1 for a buy. It's setting up on the 5 for a buy. It's setting up on the 15 for a buy. It's probably setting up on the 30, for a buy. Setting up on the 1 hour for a buy. So gold is ready. Gold is getting ready, guys. It's getting ready to pull right back up. To go right back up. I'm climbing up on the rough side of the mountain. That's what gold is trying to do right there. Gold is attempting to go on the rough side of the mountain and going up yonder to be with the Lord. All right. Any questions? Go ahead. Unmute, please. Go ahead. And thank you so much for your participation here with your words in the chat here. Let's see if anybody lit it up for real. Yeah, you guys lit it up kind of okay. But there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So only 10 of you hit. Oh, your aunt was in the military. Was she in the Army? Vickers, was she in the Army? What up? Hey, what's up, La Chelsea? Let's see. Yes. Mahogany, last one. I'm personally in you. Stephen put in, it's going to 106.73. I'm using 3 fingers. 106.73. My current TP is 108.6. Okay, let me look at that real quick. 106. Steven got y'all at 106. So that's way off a chart. He got y'all way. Oh, that's why. Whoa, Steven, what chart did you call that on, bro? Gee, where? 106. Hold on, Steven. Oh, that's way down there. He's looking at. Oh, you know why, Dr. Crystal? Look, so he's just calling. That's a support line. I can't make this up. 106.590. He called 106.73. So I'm below him, right? That's where my support line is on EU. But it's gonna take it a minute to get down there, I believe. But look, that setup is good. Four fingers are set up on the 1 hour is about to hit. EU is about to hit 108.601. On the 4 hour is going to hit 108.588 and then come on down to 108.373. So yeah, that's good on EU. We did good on GU. If you guys kept that compound for GU, you hit on that one. If you did a 10 pip with me, you hit on that one. Strike the chord, squad church. You can call me Tori. Okay, cool. Yes, she was a nurse. I'll be daggone.
Gold is pushing past resistance, pushing hard.
Oh, we're about to hit on gold.
Yes, sir, baby.
Awesome. So look what gold did.
Fractals, solid Hakanashi candles.
US 30 is coming into play too.
Let's go.
Look, guys, look, I can't make it up. I can't make it up. Go hit. I can't make this up. If I could, I would, but I can't. So I ain't. Now, what did I tell you? So now I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait just a little bit because I think it's gonna push down a little bit more there. Let's look at it on here. Oh wow, it reset itself. They reset themselves. They reset themselves. These jokers here. These jokers. All right, so look, now we're trading off. Let's see what chart. Got to be higher. Yep. All right. So we're still trading off the day chart. I said if it broke that line, it did. So here we go on gold. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? 1893 to 1892. 1893, 1892.
The trade you gave them earlier, it was a GJ trade or
GU. It was GU.
And what's the new goal now?
93 to 92.
93 to 92.
See, because now we're graduating to the week chart. We've graduated to the week chart on gold. US 30 is about to activate. If you took that 860 to 850, you're about to activate on US 30.
850 to 850 on US 30. Let me drop that for you. 860. Those of you who are new, that's 33,860. We call the last three numbers. So you can go to 850 or 840 at the lowest, okay? What was my goal again? 93?
1893 to 1892.
92. She is looking good. Got a nice little push in her, baby. Smooth that resistance down. Yep, we got to pick up. It's about to be the bell. Let's go. We probably got to go. Never mind. Let's go. That's why I'm like, why is she pushing? It's the bell. You better keep a.
Oh, yeah, 2 minutes.
Your trade. You're responsible for your own trading.
Yeah, you haven't activated yet, have you?
Do crazy stuff at the bell.
You haven't activated. Right. Huh?
Let me see what the banks are, y'all. No activation.
Okay.
Yeah, well, something's going to happen in a minute, so that's why I'm saying keep your eye on it. And let me look at the bank. I'll let you know if it's looking like she's just going to sail down at the bell. Let's see. Let me know I'll let you know what the bank is doing in a minute.
Ooh, that's a hot beat right there. Mick, that was missed a long time ago. Check out my flow. Here we go. Yo, don't you know? Mm, mm. Yeah. 20.
20 seconds.
I'm calling you Radio Raheem.
D, man. All right, get ready. We're about to get a reversal, so stand fast. Here we go. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. US 30 hit. US 30 hit. Mm. I need to write these down. I gave a lot of trades this morning.
That was 860 to 840 on US 30.
860 to 850. That was a 10 pipper. 10 pointer.
Oh, I wrote 840 in the chat. I
Well,
you said 50.
Well, guess what? It hit. So if you took 860 to 840, you hit.
Where's the market at right now? I got another one at 820.
We're at 864. Our next one is 830 to 810.
830 to 810.
Yep. And you can take that 860 to 850 again if you want. 860 to 850.
I don't see no banks on gold yet. Trying to fake us out. Gold don't got no snoo, baby. Pushing down. Gold is pushing down.
All right. Gold activated.
There we go. Woo, look at this. Yes, darling. Yes. She pushing and pulling like US 30. Keep your eyes on her.
I'm trying to put. I'm putting the trade in.
5, 15. Let me see. That's a full bag right there.
AJ is selling.
What's the trade on gold? It's already active.
It's
No, I'm in it. I just didn't hear it.
93 to 92.
Okay.
GBP USD hit 125.92. Wow. Still dropping. Yep. Still dropping. It's going for that 125.72. I bet any money. That's where it's going for. I'm going to set an alert right here. Let me look at what they're doing. All right. So let's look at gold because gold did a reversal. Let me look at this. Is that real or not? Let's look at what the.
She pushing. That's what said she huffing and puffing like US 30.
Well, I got all pink on Wolf Rush. Yeah, I got all pink.
I was 1897.69. So let's see what she's gonna do.
All right, get ready for another US 30. It should be coming back to give you another payday. Gold. Just watch gold. Keep your eye on gold. Let's see what she pushing to. I need to look at impulse to see how real the move is. It is fighting. It is fighting. Yeah, ain't no snow, no snow.
Do we have any more news?
9:30. That was it. Wait. Let me check because I was on the wrong date. So we got a lot of snow on the mountain though on the 1 minute. And a 30 minute is gaining. Nope, is going into the clouds there. 1 hour is giving snow. No snow on 4 hour. So 15 minute, no snow. Huh. but I have no reference point on the 15 minutes, so I can't look at that one. I need to go higher. Look at the 1 hour. Huh, you still got some sell left in you, I see. Oh, US 30 didn't pull back real good. It's a fake out. Let me see. 5 minute. Yeah, that's hogwash. Let me see what chart is giving that number. Yeah, that's hogwash. It's coming back. I'm looking at this. Look at US 30. Let's look at the US 30 on this one real quick. Look at that. Yeah, it's still in a nice sell momentum. Wolf Rush, what are you talking about? Oh, it went below that line. Oh boy. Just keep on playing, US 30. You just playing because you're below that line. I like when it go below that line. Ew. I like what I see. It's got to go right here. US 30 got to come down to 33,847 on this chart. 33,847 on this chart. The numbers are way off, so don't look at that. But it's got to come down there. So I'm going to mark a line right there. What happened? Give me my line, man. What's wrong with you? All right, I'm going to leave that there for US 30. Let's look at my friend Gold. What are we doing? Gold got the little fractal underneath it. Dr. LA, what does that mean when you get that blue ring around it?
Oh, let me see right quick. It's black.
No, it's not. It's red.
Oh, no, that means it's just a reverse. Pull back.
Pull back. Okay.
Pull back for the buy.
Thank you guys for your awesome teaching. We can't get this in the back office and on Go Live. So just thank you. I can speak for myself and the team. We are definitely learning a lot. So thank you guys.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Glad. All right. Yeah. We got to tread. We got to tread real lightly because gold is getting ready. I'm telling you, it's getting ready for some buy action. And I don't want us to stay too long in the sell. It is going to come back. So if you didn't do a crazy lot size, you're okay. But I'm looking at how close it is on the week chart to the 50. And I believe it really wants to hit that target before it decides on doing a full reversal back up to the north. Because this is the bounce magnet. This is where it should bounce. And then we should be trading on a day chart and taking it from here all the way back up to the 50, which is at 1950. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at gold doing. I'm looking at gold dropping down, giving us our money, and then pulling back to run up hard. Now, if it decides to pull back on this candle, I don't know how long it's going to run, but I'm speculating that because this is not aligned, right? This is not an alignment, which still gives me gold sell vibe, right? It's not an alignment. The 1 hour is in perfect alignment. 15, 5, and 1. All of those are in perfect alignment. So y'all know my theory. 4 charts is a bonus. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5. So you ain't gonna tell me the sucker ain't finna buy up real crazy. But let's push this sucker down. Let's see if it's gonna push down first. Now I will say if it passes the 50 on the 1 minute, let me look at it. Then it's going to buy, and then we'll catch that first one. We'll catch 1897 to 98. That'll be our first catch of the day for the fish. Trading, buy, stop. Let's see. Alert. So 18 modified. Let's see if that's the right move. Give me a second. I want to make sure that is the right move. 1897 plain. All right, 1897.5. I want to give us a little leeway. 1897.5.
Are you saying that's a buy entry?
Yeah, that's going to be our first buy entry when gold reverses. 7.5. Uh-huh. No, that's the entry. That's the entry. Entry is 1897.5. The TP is 1896. I mean 1898.5.
Okay, she's switching back down. We got snow on 1 minute, no snow on 5, no snow on 15. So I agree with your analysis that she will push down and pull back up. But that pull back up, you got that. What is the TP you said on one of them? It was to the 50.
Yeah, on the day chart, it's right here. I mean on the week chart. So on the week chart, there's the 50 right there. And also when I looked at levels had when I looked at the
you know what?
huh?
Another thing that from my research, when I researched like the unemployment claims, it normally give you about, I think it was 10 to 20 in that one direction. So London ended at 1902.5.
Yeah.
And we've gone down to 93.1. Okay.
And this is my final zone. This is my final zone on gold is 1871.24. That's based on levels. Now I didn't look at any demand zones. I didn't look at any supply zones. Oh my gosh. Look. All right, watch this. Y'all ready? Now, y'all saw me mark this, right? Based on the wick. Now, watch what supply zone says. Bow, right above me. Above me and below me is a supply zone. Come on now. No blue box. And red box is way down there. What did Monday do? How come I can't give it on Monday?
Okay. So we normally get our next one pushed to at 45 after the hour. And we shall see.
Man, if this does this move right here, though, I'm going to be ecstatic. I ain't going to even kid you because that is a completion. That's a completion of this long candle that it formed. That was a heck of a candle, by the way. But that's a week. Okay, this is a week, guys. This ain't a hour. That's a week chart. So not looking at gold to do that today. Believe me, that's a week. But I am looking for it. I am looking for. Hold on, I'm too high up still. 15-minute chart. Let's see. I am looking for gold to stay below this black line temporarily. Now, as long as it stays under this black line, we're gonna cook with some Crisco grease. Of course, I'm still listening. Watch this thing ask me, are you still listening? Yes, I'm still listening. All right, let me.
If you use Brave, you won't have to worry about the commercials.
If I use who?
Brave.
I'm on Brave. Oh, no, I'm not. I do have Brave, though, but thank you. I didn't. I don't. So if I use Brave, is no commercials? For YouTube? Brave is a search engine. All right, now I got to switch it up. Yeah, but I didn't know about the YouTube thing. Why is everybody? Why my phone going off like ain't got good sense? Oh, that daggone Kenyatta. Kenyatta talking about some still holding. Get on my call, boy.
What are you talking about for the buyout?
No, the sell. Now I'm gonna have to be the DJ. I'm gonna have to go in my DJ mode. Okay. So, what were we talking about? The brain.
radio, Raheem. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I can't stand Evelyn. All right, look, guys, this is what we're doing. So you know GU and gold moving together, right? Do I need to tell you that for real? Okay, I need to tell you. GU and gold are moving together. Watch this. Day chart. There's the 50 on GU. There's the 4 hour. It hit that. Gold. There's the 4 hour. The day chart. It hit that. There's the week chart. There's the 50. This is GU. There's the 50. Let me take this off so you can see it better. There's the 200 on the 4 hour chart. And now we're going to the day chart. So GU really wants to come down to 125,436. That's what it really wants to come down to. Oh my God. Will it do it today? Who knows? And then it's going to bump up. As you can see, the EMAs are pushing it back up. Right? Same for gold. I believe gold slightly different on gold because gold has 4 fingers set up beneath it. Oh, yeah. So on the higher time frame, gold has mad sell money going on. On the lower time frame, gold has mad buy money going on. So that's why gold is definitely going to go both ways once it finishes all of its movement. And then US 30 simply did a reversal. We got 945. So yes, US 30 just needed to pull back up here into the zone for the RSI. Now it should be reversing back down, coming back to the lady with the dress on right here. So US 30 should be coming back down to 33,813. All right, I'm gonna set an alert, and then we're gonna get some sale money going on US 30 again. Yep, because it came right through there. That's so odd. How did you buy through that? You just bought through traffic just because you wanted to. All right, let me go to 1 minute. Set an alert right here. Once I hear this alert, guys, that means it's money time. Okay. And then I know we hit on that 860 to 840, and then it stopped. Boom, no problem. We good there. Is anybody in US 30? I need to know if you're in a US 30 trade. You should not be, but if you are, I need to know. Thank you. Thank you, Tori. I think you said I can call you Tori. Okay. Has a strong candle on the 15. US 30 has a strong candle. Strong what candle, though? A strong buy candle, sell candle? Oh, buy candle. Let's look at regular candles. Oh, that was so on a 15, that was an engulfing bullish candle, but I don't really look at the lower time frame for the engulfing candles. I look at it on the higher time frame. So let's see. We have an engulfing bearish candle right here for US 30. Haven't seen that in a while. All right. We have an engulfing bearish candle for US 30. And that zone is, I'm going to mark it differently simply because my chart is already marked up. So I'm going to mark it right there and right here. So looking for US 30 to play in this zone right here. So let's go back to the 1 minute. So now we see our white lines and bright white thick lines. So as long as US 30 is there, what was that in engulfing? What did I say? Bearish. Okay. Engulfing bearish. So the length of that candle is.
Shall I turn it down a little bit?
Yep. 132. The length of that candle is 132. All right. Anybody got any questions? This is a good time to ask because y'all know I like teaching on my trade.
I am here just spectating for the next meeting.
All right. Oh, come now. I will switch to what's name. I just can't do it right now. I'm going to switch. Thank you, Ralph, for letting me know I can switch it to the other thing, whatever it's called. All right, give me a second. What the market doing, y'all? What is it doing? I'm not looking at it right now. Whoa, whose is that? It must say. Let's see. Gold. Where are we doing gold? That's 4 hour chart. That's a lot of pullback on that one candle. That's a lot of pullback. Don't look like much when you look at it this way. 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute is moving.
What was that? Buy entry on gold?
It is.
About to activate at 97.5.
Yeah, 97.5 to 98.5.
And then the zone is up to 97. If that's gonna activate, was that it? That activated?
Which one? Yeah, that gold just activated and it's in profit.
For the buy.
Uh-huh. And let's see. Gold activated is in profit. What the? I'm just looking at it. Gold is sitting right there at that buy TP, and gold just hit. Who hit on gold for the buy?
All right, very good.
Let me look at gold. I need to see. She snuck up on me. I wasn't even paying attention to her. The next one is 99 to 1900. Modify. All right. I've been on since 8:30, so I ain't gonna be on too much longer, guys. I am already at a draining point. Oh my god.
Thank you, Chef. I said good morning earlier, not sure if you and Dr. LA heard.
I did not, Merlan. Hi.
I apologize. You don't want to be a silent hip snatcher over here.
You silent pip snatcher, you.
Like those people that come to your barbecue with no food and no contribution, take the food and then just leave. So thank you.
You know what? I want them to do that because I'm providing the food. Oh my god.
But we say thank you and good morning.
Good morning.
And yes, I'm loving the tribe called Prescott. You know, we from Queens.
Oh, you know it.
Representing the tribe.
You know I used to live up there, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah. I lived in Springfield Garden.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And then Elmont.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yes, I'm familiar. Actually, my parents are in Queens Village, which is right next door to Elmont.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Queens Village.
Yes.
Okay.
They have that new arena.
No, I haven't been in a while. I haven't been to New York in like years.
Oh, okay. Okay.
In years. Looking for that to come back down. All right. So gold just hit resistance at 1898.97. That's my resistance. Just waiting to see which way is going to flip. But it is set up. I mean, it's set up for some straight buy action. Waiting. But gold has been doing this like for the last week. It'll do something. You be like, oh yeah, it's gonna it's gonna buy like crazy. No, then it reverse real hard and come back down through. Like that trade that I gave yesterday, for some it hit, right? That 1905 it hit for some, but not for everybody. Well, look when it hit for everybody else. It hit like at 2 in the morning or something crazy, like 2 or 3 in the morning. I think that trade hit. And it's funny because when I'm looking at trades, guys, and I don't think I'm gonna talk about this on Friday, but when I'm looking at trades, y'all see what I do. I mean, it's not, I look at all, y'all see how many charts I go through and what I go through in order to call a trade, right? So I'm looking at what's the probability of this price action getting to the magnet, which is the EMA. And matter of fact, which EMA are we trading with right now, right? So you saw me go through the day chart, which y'all haven't seen probably anybody do too much of. If you're trading, you can call trades, but I actually traded off the day chart, which means I've been waiting for it to hit the 200 EMA. Why? Because I strongly believe in my EMA setup. That 50, 200, 415, 800 is a real setup, right? And because of that, I'm able to call trades just using those EMA strategies, right? So yeah, will gold come back down to the 50? Yes, it's a magnet. And if it does not, for whatever reason, let's look at why it wouldn't. If I draw that, no, it's still gonna come down to the 50. Can't even make it up. All right, let me take this stuff off. Yeah, gold is fully marked up, as you can see. Next gold is going to be, so what I was going to say was you have a choice to either hold on to the sale or let the sale go. Or if you've already gotten out the sale, if you were already using risk management, you probably already got out of the sale, fine. But what you want to concentrate on is if you stayed in the sale, it does appear that gold will come back. Buy just activated for $18.99. So yeah, it does appear that gold will come back based on the day chart. I mean the week chart. But I do. Oh, okay. I see why. Control Z. I see why. And the reason why I believe that is because we're about to hit on go. Hold on one second. Okay, awesome. That looks much better. And then where's the US 30? Okay, you went that way. Okay. All right. So what I was saying was the reason why I believe it's going to continue back down is because these EMAs are not in alignment on the 1 hour. So even though all of these things are lined up below it, below it. Let me see, 1 hour. That's the 4 hour. I'm sorry. On the 4 hour, everything is lined up below, right? Which is 1, 30, 15, 5, and 1. But this is not in alignment. And I don't believe it's going to do this major crazy push up to turn it around yet. I do believe the 50 is going to cross over the 800 first, and the 200s are going to cross over the 415. Once that happens, then we'll get a reversal because it will look. Let me do this. Let's see. Let me duplicate this because every time I draw, it brings up all of my chart markup. All right, let's see. Wow, that is crazy. Hey, Bitcoin, what did you do? Bitcoin dropped again? Crazy stuff. All right, let's see. USD ICE. I haven't marked you up, ICE. Good. All right, so back to what I was showing 4 hour. Hold on, let me see where gold is. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. All right, so not worried about the buy at all. We got an EMA above it, so gold. Man, my brain is I need to drink some more of my juice, y'all. Good Lord. My brain is functioning at 1,000,000 miles a minute. All right, here we go. Okay, I was talking about alignment. I knew I was talking about something. All right, so let's see what do I mean. So why is it going to continue to sell even though it's buying? It's going to buy up through like probably the 1 and the 5 minute chart. I doubt if it buys through the 15 or the 30 because this 50 right here needs to do that. So the 800 can come across. Okay. The 200 does this. The 415 does this. So now we have 50, 800. The 200 needs to do this a little bit more. And the 415 needs to do that, which will push price that way before it comes that way. So now you have the 50 right here, 200, 415, and then 800 rides across, which it'll be above it, 800. And then we'll start getting that push back. So this will look like the rest of the charts. Guys, we just hit on gold again. Who hit on gold? Who hit on gold? All right. Still ain't done yet. We're going to take gold. We're going to take 1900 to 1901. Let me look at US 30. What is it doing? 5 minute. Oh, it's in that zone. I'm curious to see if it's going to pass my zone right here. Now, if US 30 passes my zone, US 30 will continue to buy up. But it's been giving me like eerie feelings because this setup here is definite. This is a crown waiting to happen. And for US 30 to drop all the way back down here to 32,677. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's look at gold one more time. 1 minute. All right. So look at gold, guys. Wow, here's some more people. Trade King, boy, you quiet as you want to be. Man, don't be coming on my call all quiet, silent like a church mouse.
Hey, I'm trying to see what I missed. I overslept.
Oh, wow. Listen, I'm gonna have the church ushers escort you back out the church.
Let me find out he's being a father pit snatcher like Merlin said. Is that Trey King?
Look.
Mister, you're gonna have to get about your seat. We've got to escort you out this church. The doors of the church is open.
I was trading JPN 225 yesterday, trying to see if it moved real slow.
Trading what?
Yeah, the Japanese NDC yesterday. I started back messing around with it. See what she doing.
JPN 225.
Yeah, you never heard of that?
No.
Check it out.
The JPN 225.
It's one of the safer indices to trade. It actually pops off during the Tokyo session.
Okay.
Like 6 or 7.
Who has it? Let me see who has it.
Everybody has it.
No, I'm on. I'm on. This is the third one. Let's see. They may have it. Yeah, okay, that one.
Yeah. It's slow, but I mean, hey, it's safe.
Wow. Never heard of it, dude. I mean, some of these I didn't even look at to trade, like China 50, the German 30, we used to trade that. That moves real nice.
Yeah. I remember.
The US 2000, look at that. That moves
Traded that one.
real nice. I haven't traded that in a long time. I only traded it a few times. And then of course the 500 S&P. Blue Nation. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Trade King, JP. It moves real slow though. Look at these little candles.
She moves. You know,
Oh, okay.
she's not gonna snatch a wig like the others, but you know, she's not as slow as a forex pair though.
This is what I'm looking at right here. So now we're in the zone. We're back in the demand zone. I believe it's going to eat this whole box up. Gold. We're in a trade from 1900 to 1901. I think we hit. Wait a minute.
Yep, it hit.
We hit. Y'all better say something to Shell.
Lighten up the chat.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Blessings. But that's only 4 people. It's 36 people on this call. You telling me only 4 people got the money? US 30 crossed. Okay. There's that cross. Okay. All right. So US 30. Here we go. We reverse on US 30. It's doing some stuff. Okay. Got it. And it wants to push up a little higher. Let me look at the 5. I don't trust you, US 30. You no. I'll wait. No, sir. No, sir. 3 minutes. I'll wait for 3 minutes, bro. I know you like the back of my hand. 15. Oh, okay. That's why it's pushing up. Okay. I didn't see that. Why didn't I see that? Do y'all see why US 30 is pushing up? Because somebody tell me, because somebody on mute and tell me why US 30 would be pushing up based on what you see right now. What's wrong with this chart? Gold 19.0. Hold on. It's not a line. Absolutely, Claudia. So that's why it's pushing up, right? Because out of alignment. Does anybody have a question about that? I know you do. Stop playing like you ain't got no question.
I don't understand.
Thank you. Finally, somebody spoke up. Amen. Jesus. Can't get nobody to speak up pulling teeth, boy. Look here. All right. So no more trades are out. We're good. We just hit on the final gold trade that I've given right now. The next gold trade is going to be, just so you know. All right. So I can teach why we do this at the same time. Same time, play. I don't know you. 1901.75 to 1902.75. Gold.
Master, I got somebody asking if you can let them in.
Oh, yeah. I didn't know I had the power. Hold on. Where I don't even see the weight room. That's not on. That's hit Dr. LA. That's not. I don't have that access.
It's Chiquita. I guess she's.
Yeah, I don't have access though. Dr. LA, if you can hear me, could you let Chiquita in, please? Oh, Kenyatta, where you, man? Get on this phone, man. Now listen, I'm gonna bust all y'all brothers. I'm gonna bust y'all up for coming on my call silent. You know what I'm saying? He over here making $19,000 in one trade over here talking trash.
I didn't steal it. I did that on my own. I was a little nervous.
We hit on goal. Golly, that was quick. My bad.
Silent pip hitters.
Right.
Silent pip hitters.
I like that.
Guys, listen, this sucker finna go to the moon. I'm telling you, I told you it's gonna go to 12. Y'all think I'm joking about these zones. All right, let me show you one more time. Because you know, fat meat is greasy. All right, there's levels. There's levels. Okay, this is where I called it off of. I called it engulfing bearish candle. That red one right there. Then I said, it's gonna go this whole box. Once it reverses in the box, it's gonna go the whole box. So we're gonna keep making the money all the way up to 12. Okay, how about it? Who's ready? And then watch this. Not only was that the confirmation, but my EMA strategy is on fire. Look where she want to go. That's her next move right there, the 1905. 1904, 1904.75 to 1905.75. Yep. 1904.75 to 1905.75. Man, I ain't even get to put the other trade in. I was talking. Hold on. Don't you go up on me. Don't you put that evil on me, Ricky Bobby. 1904. Oh man, I'm in the wrong thing. Come on, where it go? Buy stop. 1904, 75, 1905, 75. Okay. Market execution. Bye. I ain't even gonna play with this. All right, I know what I gave y'all, but watch this here. Chef ain't even gonna play. 19. All right, I'm gonna tell you what's going on. What the real deal is right here. Did the young lady get in? Is she in?
I don't think I see her.
All right. Well, we're about to hit on. Hold on. Let me see something here. Let me see if LA is available.
Hey, last go hit. We just hit. Yeah.
Y'all better get up off me. Y'all ready? 1907.50 to 1908.50. I'm just gonna keep doing this. I ain't even looking at nothing. Just 1907.50 to 1908.50. Leave me alone. I ain't even have an alert set. It was so fast. I'm talking about money so tall, all the tricks want to foul. Well, I give you 1907.50, 1908.50. Y'all better have put it in. Y'all better have put it in. Hit. Y'all ready? 1908.50 to 1909.50. I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm just gonna keep calling it. 1908.50 to 1909.50. You think fat meat is greasy? Fat meat is greasy. 1908.50. It's my.
She needs the link. You know Chiquita?
Somebody, Merlan does, I believe.
I mean, I'm not gonna share if you guys are not okay with her getting the link.
Merlan.
No, we live. She said she was watching on YouTube.
What?
She's part of Rich Youth.
You got a Trader-Con ticket.
I
The
know.
only extra people in here are people who are participating in Trader-Con.
Okay, I don't know all of that.
Are we still live?
We are still live.
Then she needs to message me.
Okay.
What was the last name? 19 what?
Hold on one second. Who is God's gift? Wow. Okay. Hold on one second. 850 to 950.
I think that might be her.
Okay. Oh, this thing is moving so slow sometimes.
That's my goal with this hit.
All right. And this, I'm about to go. I'm about to close live in a minute. Guys, I can't listen. You guys have listen, Linda. If you took if you got out of your gold sale, you make all that money was back. I just gave 4 more gold trades back to back. Back to back. Pow, 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 just firing them off. All right, we ready? 1910 to 1911. I told you I was going to 1912. Leave me alone. 1910, 1911. 1910, 1911. How much more you want? What you want? I can't make this up. Y'all want to see this for real? Look, let me show you again on levels. Shall I show you again on levels? Look at the black box that I drew. Now, y'all sat here on my call. You saw me call an engulfing bearish candle. You saw me say it's going to go the full length of that candle. It did it in 2 candles. It took 2 hours to do that. 2 1-hour candles, guys, to do that. It ain't done. It's going to 1912. And it might play in that zone. Once it hits this top candle wick up here at 1912, 17, she may pull back down and come right back down to 1895. Please mark this zone somewhere on your charts. Please mark it. It's an engulfing strategy. It is a demand zone. That's prices in demand. That's all it means is, listen, in a demand zone, prices in demand. In a supply zone, prices in supply. It's being supplied, it's being demanded because somebody is saying, I want in this market. I want the buyers to come in strong. Then I want the sellers to come in strong. So what do we have? Tug and pull, right? Right? Push and pull, tug and pull, whatever you want to call it. We have a tug of war going between buyers and sellers. That's what a zone is. It's a tug of war. That's why price resides in those zones, because you're getting the buyer saying, no, I'm stronger than you. Then you get the seller saying, no, I'm stronger. Look, I got more people in. I got more money in. That's what that is. So when you hear Dr. LA talking about the banks are coming in, the banks are coming in, that's all it is a tug of war. It's the banks versus us. Y'all do know that, right? It ain't just some fictionary people. We're in the market. I hope y'all realize it. It's not just us in the market. It's a whole bunch of people trading right now. Whole bunch. So when we say the banks are coming in, that's these black boxes here. That's the banks. Black, 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 black. The banks are strong up in this joint right now. Right? But then what about us? Right? Us is, let me show you us. See, we're driven by, let me see if I can do it on this one. Ay, 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 caramba, where is my life? Let me see. Can I do it on here? Would you allow me to put those on? Indicators. Okay. Yes, you will allow me to put it on. Watch this. This is us. Let me show you us. Hold on. What are those things called? What is that thing called? Trey King, what's the name of that thing that goes up and down the lines at the bottom? Who? What? Volume. Yes. That's what I want. I want volume. I want volume. Let me see. I need to change this. Settings. I don't want that. I want the style to be step line. No. Histogram. There it is. Okay. This is us. Right? This is us. This is the bank. Black, 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 black. Okay. So we are driving. Let me see if I can do this one more. Hold up. All right. One more. 0-9. Histogram. It's going to give me, there we go. That's what I want. Columns. Inputs. Short and long. Visibility. Okay, is 0, and I'm on red. Okay, there it is. So this is us coming into the market as buyers or putting our money in the market, shall I say. Guys, what's the name of that other thing that Dr. LA and Babe, one that Babe always likes to go to look at that meter? What's the name of it? Because I didn't mark it as my. Oh, MA. I think it's MAT. There it is. I need to mark that. All right. Which one did I go to? Golly.
Go down to the bottom. See forex volatility down there.
There it is. Thank you.
Yeah.
Telling all the support I got today. Thank you.
And then you have to put it up. If it's not across in the included.
Yeah, I'm about to take them. Well, I'm taking these off. So I ain't gotta go through all these.
Yeah, I do that as well.
I don't need all that.
And then put in what you want.
Yes. I'm only gonna put 3 things on here. Okay, perfect. All right, first things first, gold. All right, I'm about to put it all together for you right now. I'm gonna put it together like a Tribe Called Quest. All right, so here we go. Volume. This is volume. Okay, that's all this is. It's volume. It's volatility in pips for gold per hour of the day. But this is volume. Okay, ready? Volume. Do they not look alike? I'm just saying. Does this? I can't even fake this. I just thought of this. It just came to me. Right? Look at this. Short, long, short. Ready? Short, long, short. I can't make this up, people. Except for what this does. This gives it to you beforehand. This gives it to you as the market is moving. Right? So what we have here is a cheat code into the market, man. It's a cheat code. Watch this. GU. Ay, 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 caramba. 10. All right, now let's look at GU on levels. Where are you at, GU? Oh, let me change the strategy. Come on, Lifeline. Act right. Come on, Lifeline. Don't take all day. GU, bullish engulfing. Okay, bullish engulfing. And then if I add volume, and I changed it like I did, real quick, give me some one time, change that to green, change that to that, change that right there, boom. Okay. All right, let's go to the 1 hour. Short, long, short. Short, long, short. I'm just saying, we can do this all day. So you have this as a tool helping you.
Shaquita is in. Let's just make sure we say hello to her. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. First of all, what's up, girl? Shaquita, what's up? Shaquita. Where you at?
Hey, Pitmaster.
What it do, shouty?
Thank you so much. I was watching from YouTube.
You know what? But that's how you do it. You still was in the know though. You was in the know.
I was still in there.
You know what I'm saying? Where you at? What state?
I'm in Florida.
What part?
Tallahassee.
Oh, Tallahassee, baby. Let's go to the beach. So let me get back to this real quick, and I'm about to end. Let me end this one real quick. All right, cool. End.